So today we're going to take apart this dampener, which was in place of a clutch on a 2019 Toyota RAV4 hybrid. Basically, this was a flywheel bolted to the crankshaft, and this was just bolted right to this. Let me find the position. No. Oh, I think that's why I couldn't find the position. Yeah, there you go, up the other way. So with 8mm bolts, it was just bolted down to this, to the flywheel, and then here would be the input shaft for the transmission, and that's how it works. So, and then all the other magic is happening inside transmission. So the other day I saw on the channel, on the YouTube channel Toyota RAV4 HYBRID, I saw my colleague wanting to take it apart, but he could not because he needed to use it for whatever vehicle he was installing it on. So this one happens to be not needed. So I'm gonna cut all these rivets and see how it's built. It's pretty straightforward. There is nothing very unique in this, but let's check it out. This seems to be taking too long. I'm gonna get a big grinder and cut it quick. Maybe not as nice, but quick. of these rivets have been cut. Now I gotta get a hammer, punch them all out. Okay, this can go out. Okay, so let me get the some kind of what do we got? What do we got? Oh, this will do. A little bushing. And let's get a punch that's able to punch it out. Oh, this seems like a good combo. Let's get our hammer. Okay. Yeah, it fits right over. Ein. Oh, there's one rivet left, and this is like all being opened. Oh, there's also a clutch inside. Ooh, hoo, hoo. That's quite interesting. So there is actually some slippage going on. I guess if the forces are too great, it starts slipping. And it does smell a little bit like clutch. Alright. And we have some clutch dust here. Okay, so it's not just a simple dampener. It's got these springy washers that keep pressure. So when this is sitting on top, yes, oh, hold on, it goes here. Okay, yeah, so there's quite a bit of gap. So all of this gap was basically compressing that spring washer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in order, upside down, so that we don't miss any order. So first goes this springy washer that keeps the pressure on it. Then goes this piece that's locking it in right here in those 3 holes. Now we have the clutch. So this is a friction disc. It was like so. quite interesting. No, it was in fact like so. Yes. So this is not moving part. The disc, friction disc, is locked in with these little pins here. So that's stationary. The friction happens here. And there's one more like that on the other side. So there is some friction going on. So I guess when the springs already bottom out, this starts slipping in the housing, preventing from any shock loads. Okay, that's an interesting design, and looks like it's working well. Yeah, it looks like it does. Yes. My friend from Ukraine, from Teoria DVS, is going to like this, because that's a very unique thing I have never seen before, and he also wanted to open it, but he just needed to use it, so he didn't. But I did not need to use it, and I did open it. Wow, okay. That is a really unique piece. It looks like it's in good condition. I don't see a lot of wear. In fact, I don't see any wear. It may have been slipping a few times, but if you drive the car normally, you don't overload it, don't do any shock loading, it should not be slipping. It should be holding pretty well. Yeah. Very unique piece. I like it. Alright, we're gonna leave it like this. I wanna show my colleagues tomorrow.